This is in 64-bit. Then after next and click on as file, right? Then next. Okay, you have to choose a location where you want to accept or where you want to download that file, and click here download and then save. Okay, one thing I'm going to tell you there, if you want to download that latest version of Windows 10 as file, then you have to first log in to the Microsoft account. Okay, then after only you can download Windows 10 latest version as file from Windows or Microsoft website, right? This progress is 1%. Okay, it's going to download, and this is the way of downloading, right? Okay, thanks for watching and keep supporting, sharing. To like, share, comment. Okay, thanks.